So 2 years ago, this device right here basically changed the way that we compute, the way that we interact with our entertainment, the way that we do things on a normal basis were gone. This device, the iPad Pro, the 2018 model, was the one that changed that. This new one, 2020, let's see if this is going to change our minds again. This is Average Tech Guy, and welcome to my unboxing and first impressions of the 2020 Apple iPad Pro 11. Let's jump right into it. So this is not going to be a full review. I'm going to do that in a few days just so I can get a chance to do benchmarks, do speed tests, check out the cameras, do all that stuff so I can give you guys the best feedback as possible. This is just my first impression of this device, but somebody's going to want to know what these actual specs are, and they didn't change much from last year. So let's talk about those just a little bit. This new iPad Pro, you have the A12Z chip. Now, 2 years ago was the A12X. This device is going to start you out at 128 gigabytes, and it's going to start out at $899. So the previous year only has 64 gigabytes, and it came in at $899 as well. It has the Wi-Fi 6 technology built into it. That's going to give you faster speeds, but you have to have a router that is Wi-Fi 6 capable. You have to have a new router to do that. The camera, 12 megapixel wide angle, and then you have a 10 megapixel ultra wide angle for those group shots or wider shots that you want to get so you can capture everything in one frame. Still get your 120 hertz ProMotion display. You get 4K video at 24 frames per second. You get your LiDAR sensor, which this is really fun. Now, I know that AR has been around for a while, but when you're playing games like Angry Birds in augmented reality, I mean, it's fun, it's comical, it's funny, and it's a blast. So try this game out. I may be talking more about this one because I really have been having fun with this one with my kids. But it's Angry Birds in 3D, augmented reality. You got to check it out. Now, there have been some improvements to the microphone system as well. So not a whole lot of upgrades on this device. With that being said, just picking this up, using this for a day, it feels just like the old iPad. Nothing actually changed up top. You still get your pencil connection. It's still lightning quick. As soon as you put it on top, it's going to show you that it's connected. You still get the exact same form factor. Speakers, still same speakers. You do get improvements on the microphones. You get the extra camera. Not really a big deal because a lot of people don't even take pictures with their tablet, and this might change the world. I mean, who's gonna do this? Who do you see people actually doing that? I don't think so. You're more readily to grab your cell phone, hold it up, take a picture, and be done. Put it back in your pocket. Speed test, have not done that yet, but like I say, holding this in my hands, using this for a day, feels exactly like my 2018 iPad Pro 11, with the exception of the new camera, which I probably won't use, and the speed on the old one was still phenomenal, and the screen was still phenomenal. It still had a great screen. Is it worth the upgrade? Now, this is just my first impression, but I'm going to tell you right now, it is not. If you have the 2018 iPad Pro 11, it's not worth the upgrade. Keep your money. wait until later on this year or next year when they release another one, because this one basically just feels like something that was half baked and put together and they just threw it out there for the consumer to just jump on because they know people are going to buy it. What I want to let you know is they probably have something in the works for later on this year. You need a new form factor to basically say we've done an upgrade. This is not new. This is more so the Apple iPad Pro 11s. That's what I want to call it. This thing has all the same features as the other one, minus the camera, minus the little bit increase in speed that you get with the new processor, minus the microphones, but nobody's really doing a whole lot of recording. And I think that's where Apple is trying to go, getting people to record more, do more things, make this more like a computer. That is yet to be determined. So I'm going to play with this for a few days, come back and let you know a full drawn out review of how I feel about this thing and if you really should keep your money. But I'm going ahead and saying it now on camera. If you have an 11 from 2018, keep your money. So there you go. My unboxing, my first impressions of this device. We're going to play with it for a little while. The Magic Keyboard, the floating keyboard, is not available yet. So when I get that, I will be back with more. We're going to wait and see how that works. But until next time, hopefully this is able to help someone out. Please be sure and stay tuned for that follow-up review because I will be letting you know everything about this device. And also, let me know what accessories you want to see. I have tons of accessories. Let me know what you want to see. And if you want to know anything specifically about this device, leave it in a comment below. I'll be sure and let you know on the next video. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.